Hi, I'm Andy Young, and today is a slightly different kind of workshop day for us. A good friend of mine has asked me to repair this, what is it? Huffy Drift Trike. What a machine. Christmas present, only lasted about a week, and this is the state of the old rear wheels. Now this is quite a common problem on this kind of machine. The whole idea is that the trikes drift around on the tarmac or the concrete, and of course it wears down the rear wheels rear tyres really quickly, and they're wafer thin, so I mean they're not going to last very long. It's a crappy design, to be perfectly honest. If you look at the real Drift Trikes, they have something a bit more along the lines of this kind of stuff. Now, what kind of tube is this? PE tube. So it's a bit like water pipe, I suppose, isn't it? Big water pipe.
Yeah, water drainage.
Okay, so water drainage pipe is what we've got there. It's super thick, lasts for ages, and basically all you do is get a couple of those inflatable tyres off the trolleys that you can buy at Mitre 10 or wherever, and they're at $30 for a trolley, and you get on the trolley a couple of inflatable tyres with the hubs and everything, and you can basically modify the axle for these to fit. The tube's a bit harder to get hold of. You need to find a building place or a plumbing place that will sell you a short length, otherwise you're going to have to buy 6 metres, but if you get your hands on it, it's pretty good. So this afternoon, I haven't got any cars to fix, so I'm going to spend a few hours making these fit that so that we can go drifting again. Well, not me, it can be used again. The biggest issue is the axle diameter on the Drift Trike is 11mm or thereabouts, and the bearing ID inner diameter on these wheels is about 15mm. So we're going to have to make a sleeve to fit these. Fortunately, the rider of the bike isn't particularly heavy, so we don't have to make these, you know, too well engineered. But you can see how we do it, and then when your Drift Trike, which I'm sure there's plenty of them out there, wears out the rear tyres, if you can call them that, then you might find this little video a bit helpful towards how to change them to something which is going to last for a very long time and be a lot cheaper. You can buy, so I'm told, replacement wheels for these things, but they're crazy money. I mean, the whole Drift Trike was about, well, I won't say, but it was quite expensive. And to keep buying wheels for it all the time, nah, we can do better than that, that's for sure. Okay, let's see what we can come up with. That'll do. That'll do, grommets. A bit more yet. Nearly there. Well, that'll do for that one. More to go yet. This one goes down. Ooh, nearly. So close. That'll do, grommets. That'll do. Okay, so what we've decided to do is knock up a couple of sleeves that will go onto the axle. So we're going to drill those out now. What I've already done so far is machine those down so that the ID of the bearings is the same as that step on there. The other bearing will go on here. We'll only take one bearing out, the other bearing will go on there. That's what's clamped inside the wheel, in the hub of the wheel. We're going to drill through there now 11.1 mil, hopefully. And then this will slide onto the axle, nice snug fit with the wheels. Then we bolt it up. And then we're all done. It really is as simple as that when you've got a lathe. It's pretty cool. Okay, drilling holes time. What a machine! Look at that! So we're just centering the end of this bar now so we can drill through a bit later on. This is only a 9mm drill bit, so I'm only really using it as a centre, and then we can make our way up to the next size. So we've got to do this on each end of the 4 ends. Professional. Okay, same again, Sam. So you can see we've centered that now. It's got a big center actually, but we've centered that, and now we can go through with a smaller drill bit and bring our way up to just over 11mm is what we need. That's one. Let's get the other one in there. Cool. That one done. Okay, sorted. Okay, let's see what we've got. Perfect. Okay, next drill bit size coming up. Ta-da! Okay, so after playing around for the afternoon, I have managed to make two of these, and these are the spacers that go between the bearings inside the hub, and they've now got an 11mm ID, which means it will slide onto the axle. So I'll move the camera in a second, but those are going to fit inside there, and then the bearings are going to go in, and then we can bolt them straight on the bike, and we're all done. Okay, so we've installed the, well actually I've installed the spacers that are inside the rims, and we made some extra additional external spacers here out of some tube just to make sure that everything stayed in place, and well actually should be pretty cool. Job done. Happy customer. That's what it's all about. So yes, it can be done quite easily if you have a lathe, obviously. Sorted.